Hello, welcome to Auto Diagnostic. I had many questions regarding BMW X6, if we can fit ghost immobilizer. Of course we can, and that's one of our customer. We just been freshly fitted. We're getting into vehicle, keyless entry of course, then press the start button. Vehicle start normal as every day. So what's happened, only when you select the gear, vehicle dies and doesn't respond for the start button anymore. It's disabled. So what you have to do, turn ignition off, wait a couple of seconds, and put the ignition back on, put a special sequence with additional buttons. Ghost just confirm by indicators is disabled. Then you can start, select the drive, and it function as normal. So if you wish to have fitted on one of your vehicle, just contact us on Auto Diagnostic website. Also you can see the link below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.